you guys saw that. I hope you guys got to see that. Yep. That's definitely clogged. Sheesh. What a mess. It's like, how do you let the sink fill up that much? Always reluctant to open these because you know it's gonna make a mess. And then you also lose the plug. It's only held on by a couple threads too. Wonder if we can get any more out. So that's gonna fill my bucket real quick. That. Yeah. Let's see if I can get some more out. Okay, fire in the hole. I took some more out. I'm still gonna make a mess. I already know it. Oh, well, that's a good thing. So that means the trap is clogged. If I were to poke my finger in here, try to get some of this. Alright. So that's actually really good news. Yummy. That means we can pull this apart. Hopefully. There it goes. Well, that was the trap side, because the sink is still full. Wonder if we can knock some of the rest of this gunky out without taking the trap apart. What would be really nice if I had that air gun snake. Because I could have just blown right through this. Is that a leak point? Yeah, this thing looks like it's seen better days. Hold on, let's empty this out real quick. Straight sludge inside of here. I hope you guys saw that. I hope you guys got to see that. Oh yeah. Okay. Push. Hey, it's me. So I'm leading to believe that it was just the trap. Hopefully. Let's leave that there for now. I guess no paper towel. Nope. Okay. gunkies on my drop cloth. And a bunch of gunkies in here. So what we're gonna do first is put the trap back and run it and see what that does. Whoever originally installed this service plug on this trap had Tefloned it. So I'm gonna Teflon it again. It's supposed to have like a little white gasket, like a crush gasket. I don't know if it's went missing or whatever the case. I don't carry them. And Teflon works just fine for this. Oh, it is still there. It's still on there. Okay. So, already sacrificed one rag. What's another? Rather that than laying this stuff. Alright. Try to get you guys at a good angle here with me. Okay, so we're just reconnecting for now. I'm not putting any dope or anything on it yet. Just because I want to see for testing purposes how it does. So if it drips a little bit, I don't really care right now. I just want to make sure that we have flow. Doesn't work either when it's leaking that much. Really? Okay, I guess I am gonna give you some dope. Because for all I know, it could be stopped up again. Yeah, it seems like it is. The way everything's backing out of it. Alright. Let's snake it. We may even need to hydrojet it. Alright, let's get this apart. So you guys have seen this thing on my channel. It has its niche uses. It's not amazing, but it definitely works. It might, hopefully knock on wood, just be this galvanized nipple sticking out of the tap T that's leaking. So let's see what we get with it. Yeah, look at all that crap coming out. Wish I had another rag. You can just see all the sludge in this line. I didn't want to do that. This works really good if you have water flow. just about as far as she'll let me go. So let's see if that did it, and then if not, we'll hit it with the pistol snake. So hitting it with the chain snake did the trick. Just trying to clean it up as best as I can. Not much I can do here. As you can see, got good flow. That's more stuff that came out. And no leaks. What I'd like to do is plug it up and then let it drain. No leaks, that's good. Nice whirlpool effect. Beautiful. Okay. Thing I want to show you guys is we got the Beast Bio Drain. So this is from Wolverine Brass. Super excited because we don't really have a product that I've been able to offer to clients. Like, I go on a lot of drain cleaning calls, and every single one I go on, I'm usually recommending some sort of enzyme drain solution. I write it down for the client and they order it. Where I was able to reach out to them and they have this product. You can't get it online, you know, you can only get it through them. So I bought a case of it, and I've already had a couple clients buy it from us. And yeah, it's an enzyme solution. It gives you all the directions. It even comes with a little scooper. It's good for a situation like this. You saw how much sludge came out of that sink. So if once a month, one of the office staff, if they could pour this stuff down at night, and leave it in, you know, run a little bit, mix it with a little bit of water like it tells you to, that'll help prolong needing to have something like this done, just because of the amount of sludge and everything that was in there. So I'm super excited that we're able to have this now, and it's just another service that we could offer to our clients, and I don't have to leave it up to them to go find something themselves. I carry it on the truck, and now I already got to replenish a couple of them. So I also want to test it out at home. Like, I want to cook some bacon, let the grease solidify, or pour the bacon grease into like a piece of 2-inch PVC, let it solidify, and then mix this stuff and pour it in.